Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. I'm going to show you how to use your Bluetooth exhaust system. These now come standard on the Zones, the Max. They come on the Gandan, which was the original, and also the DX. So your remote comes with two remotes for your bike, and then this is the remote for your exhaust. You have to turn the bike on. I'm going to use the remote start. There. So now the bike is on. Now you can use your Bluetooth remote.
Bluetooth model. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So it's a quick touch for that.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Successfully. So
Easy.
I had already connected this to my phone, and it comes up as the number 73. So it's going to be something really odd, but 73. So the brilliant thing with this is that once you pair your phone once, you don't have to keep doing it every single time. But now if I want to play music, just show you quickly, I'll just play some music. Quickly. You like the song. So you can use your phone and your remote. Pretty loud. Okay, so you have to turn up your phone. Anyways, that's your Bluetooth. So now I'm gonna stop my music. That was Jolene, by the way, in a dance song. Now to get to your exhaust, press and hold. Okay? These lights are always going to be on, and they just do the same thing. So when you throttle your bike, you either like it or you don't. Seems to be on high rev right now. Oh, I had to. Okay, so that's your exhaust.
Power off.
Okay, so a quick button to turn on your Bluetooth. Oh, I lied, because it did the opposite. Now I'm going to press and hold it.
Bluetooth model. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And then you can actually go
The
to
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So that's, I'm going to hold it to turn it off.
Bluetooth model. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, it's a little annoying. I would like it to
The
turn off.
Bluetooth
I would like
device
it off.
is connected successfully.
Off.
Bluetooth model. The Bluetooth device
Shut
is
the mic
ready
off.
to pair.
Shut the bike off.
There you
So it's really, it's only one button. You saw when I turned it on, it went right to Bluetooth, pressed and held it, and it went to the exhaust, and then I was trying to turn it off and it won't. So just turn the whole bike off. So it's good, but yeah, a little finagly, but it's a pretty good sound system. So anyways, that's how to use your Bluetooth. That wasn't that smooth, but that's how it goes. I still like it, but you do lose your radio. You only have Bluetooth now, no radio. That's okay. That is that.